In the last example, we found quartile 1, 2, and 3. So what I have for you now is a 5-number summary with the minimum at 0, quartile 1 at 10, quartile 2 at 17.5, which is also the median, quartile 3 is at 40, and the max is at 65. So we're going to create a box and whisker plot. The first thing we need to do is accurately either take graph paper or set up in increments of 5 or 10 a scale for us to create a box and whisker. So now that we have a scale, we're going to draw and plot our points. Quartile 2 is at 17.5. So I'm going to draw a line and label this quartile 2 equals 17.5. Quartile 1 is at 10. Quartile 3 is at 40. Here is the box, which is the inner quartile of 50%. 25% of the data goes here. 25% of the data goes there, which is a total of 50% of the data, which is your inner quartile range. The minimum is a whisker. The maximum, so we can label that 0, the maximum is 65. So the maximum right here is 65. We've now created a box and whisker graph. So question, is this graph skewed? And if so, what direction is it skewed? Well, it's going to be skewed right because I have an outlier on the right side of my graph. So there has to be an outlier somewhere in here, and probably the outlier is the 65. So we have a skewed right graph.